Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sumit Kumar. In my last video, we have learned how to create a user and how to assign MFA with that. So in this video, we will create the user, IAM user, but with programmatical access. And last video, we have just given the console access. I will show you how you can attach the programmatical access to that user. So this is a very easy process. You have to go to the user, and if you have created the user, let's suppose that I have created this admin user. Okay, so I have to go here and need to go to security credential, and we need to create access key. Okay, access key is nothing but it is to access, if you want to access the any AWS resources using program, means AWS CLI or Python or any tool, so any AWS API, then you can use the access key and secret key. So it's very easy. You have to create the user. You can watch my last video, and after once you create the user, then you have to come here and come to the security credential and create access key. Okay, you have to give what is the purpose for this best practice. So you can just click here CLI. Okay, and then go to next and just click here, and then you can just give the tag. So this is for admin. Okay, because this is this access key will have all the AWS service access. So we can create here. You can see here this is the access key and this is secret key. Okay, we can copy it, we can show it, save it here. So anyway, I'm going to delete this admin user. So this access key and secret key is very uh, useful and it's very confidential. So you should not share with anyone. So that, and you have to keep it very secret. So you have to keep it secret. So uh, okay, so let me just copy it. This is the user. We have already given the access key and secret key. Done. Okay, that's all. This is the way you can create programmatical user. Okay, before that I want to just say something that it is the new features has been added here. Means new features is, it was there before, but whenever I was working for last 3 years, before that user creation process was different. While if you go here, it was before, if you go here create user, in the create user only they will asking here create programmatical access or just give console access. So we have to just click there. But now everything's getting changed. I can see here there is one separate IAM center where you can manage all the user, all these things coming up. So yeah, we have to keep accommodating the things how the AWS is changing their console and all. So we have to keep, but internally everything will be same. So that's all for this video. So keep watching and keep supporting. So this is a very short video. I have the access key and secret key. Thank you very much.